Greeting guys and welcome to my YouTube channel nenomaila M Trader, as you already know. So before we get into the video, can you please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So on today's video, I'm actually going to talk about my top 5 forex pairs that I trade all the time. Okay, firstly we have GBP USD. So why GBP USD is one of my best pairs is because of it respects price action, simple price action and pure price action. Let me just remove everything. So you can see overall we had this uptrend, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we had this let me just do this: swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. The minute we failed to break above this swing high over here, we knew that we're going to sell until we head down to the previous two swing lows. So here's our previous two swing lows over here. So we need to, we anticipating the market to come down to that area. And also there's a diagonal trend line over here. It was acting also as a support. There's a diagonal trend line over here acting as a support, which we broke. And also we had this, let me just remove this, and also this. So we had also this resistance intending towards support. The minute we broke it, that's when we saw that the market is now ready to go down. So remember, we don't trade. Let me just show you. Let's say we have this trend over here, right? Then the market decide to break. We have this trend over here. The market decide to break. We can't take entries here. We need to see it break this level over here, right? Break this level over here. We need to see it break this level over here, then retest. Then we're going to sell here, heading where? Heading to this area over here. We don't take a move here because it can simply retrace back up. It can easily complete the what you call the uptrend. It might be simply coming here for to our demand area to get an impulse upwards. So yeah, I hope you noted also that down. So that's what we have on GBP USD. So the reason I love it is because of how it respects pure price action and also simple price action. So what we have next is GBP JPY. This is my second favorite forex pair. So on GBP JPY, it's still loading. On what I love about GBP JPY is that it doesn't really consolidate for too much. It doesn't pull back for too long. Once it decides the direction it wants to go to, it impulses. Let me just show you. We had this what is it? We had this. So let me just use this downtrend, small downtrend over here. The minute we fall to break below and we broke above, we knew the market have to come way to this level over here. So the minute we broke above this level over here, we were anticipating what? Buys. We were anticipating buys. So we would have drew something like this, then the minute we broke both, remember we don't simply rely only on one broken structure. We need to see all the structures being broke. We broke the resistance, we also need to break the overall structure. So the minute we break it, that's when we know that we're heading to which level, to this area over here, and also let me just show you how it also respects our Fibonacci retracement too. Look at how it respected it. Let me just use this price action over here. It retraced back to our 38% retracement area. Then we knew we targeting which area for TP. This area, the 50% area for TP. Okay. So that's what I love about it. It doesn't really consolidate. It doesn't give you unnecessarily pullbacks. It doesn't do a lot of fake outs. It doesn't fake a lot. So that's one of the reasons I trade it, and also why it's in my top 5 Forex pairs. Okay, up next. Okay, let me just analyze the market for you. So recently we're now on our 50% area. So we made 38% area. So we can't take any entries at the moment because of what price action is telling us. Unless if ever we broke below our 38%, we definitely heading down to retrace to this area. If ever we get a bullish engulfing or something, some price action breaking this diagonal trend line, then we're heading up to this area over here. We're filling up this gap, but in overall it's an uptrend. But then we can also take the small moves whilst waiting for the big move. So that's what we have at the moment. So I can't take any entry at the moment because of what I see, what price action is telling me. So yeah, up next we have USD JPY. We have UJ. So on UJ, this is what we have. Let me just remove everything. Right. Okay, let me just go on the monthly, because on the daily I don't see any moves. So we had we in this uptrend, right? Let me just show you from the monthly. We can see overall we in a uptrend. We've been trending up. Actually, this was a swing low, high low. If ever we're using a Fibonacci tool, you can see it was a nice retracement to our 50% level on Fib. So this is our swing high, this is our swing low. But then let me just put our swing low zone over here, then you can simply do this. Okay, you can simply put this over here, then change the color. Maybe let me just make it blue. Okay, that's our 50% area, 50% retracement. So this is the zones that we have, our strong zones. from the monthly. On the weekly, this is the 50%. So we're looking to complete this trend. We're looking to also follow the trend until it's complete. So we're definitely looking for buys. So I was buying this actually yesterday. I bought this. I think it's ETH or USD CAD. So we're in this uptrend. So let me see something. It's a penny. Okay. Retrace to our 78%. Trace to our 50%. Let me see how far it is now. There can still be heavy moves before we retrace back to create another swing low. I don't see it going down heavily. If ever it heads down, it might come to this area then or something. I don't wanna be a master of prediction, but an overall I'm buying this instead of selling it. So this is what we have at the moment. So we were traveling in this small uptrend over here. You can see overall retracement, nice retracements. Okay, retracement. So we recently retraced. So guys, remember on the weekly we said we don't see any pullbacks. So when we go on the daily, let me just give you a hack. If ever the market decide to break this trend, let me just use this. If ever it decide to break below, and also this, let me just remember this is our lower low. So lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if ever the market falls to create another high over here, it breaks our recent support and also our recent diagonal support. We definitely come into this area over here. If ever we break both this, if we break, we come into this area over here. If we break, definitely coming here. Our first TP would be this area, second one this area. Okay, second one, remember guys, first TP would be here on top of this blue line, then the first TP would be this blue line, and the the second one would be on top of our diagonal support trend line. So at the moment, let me see, let me just delete this. So we have this, the market is failing to break, so we'll wait and see. If ever we get let's study the 4-hour time frame. So for our time frame, this is what we have. So we had this pullback, then impulse up. So we also have another trend inside trend. So we have this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if ever we fail to break this resistance over there, then we definitely coming to this trend line. So there's plenty of moves that I can profit from. I can easily profit from this move, from the move off from this area over here to this area, and I can also benefit from the move after this break to this area, and also this blue line over here. So that's one of the reasons why I like UJ. It's because of its simple and respectful, has a respect to almost all my setups. I don't see a lot of losses from this pair. Like GBP JPY also, I don't see any losses, a lot of losses. I do take L's, but I don't take many more L's than wins. But it also goes back to the risk ratio and the risk management. So you can't be risking 1 to 1, or you can be risking 5 pips to gain 2 pips, or 1 pip to gain 1 pip. You can. So that's why we trade. We look at the moves. We look at, okay, I can catch about 50 pips here. Let me see how many pips this move might be. Okay, it might be 70 pips. Let me just see template. 50 pip, stop loss 70 pips. So I might be risking, if ever I were to enter here, I would be risking, let me see, I'll put my stop loss somewhere here, risk about 20 pips to make 70 pips. So I'd be risking 20 pips to make 70 pips. I'd be risking 2 to make 7. Actually it's 1:3. Okay, 1:3. I'll be risking 1 to make 3. So actually it's not even 3 exactly, it's 3.5. I'll be risking $1 to make $3.64. So yeah guys, and if ever the overall move, let me just see the overall move. The overall move might give you how many pips is this? 340 pips. So it can give you 340 pips. So let's see, 100 pips, 200 pips, 70 pips, see, sorry, 70 pips. Let's see how you can scale your trade over here. 40 pips, so you can move your stop loss to break even when it reaches this level. Then and also when it reaches this other level over here, you can move it to the previous zone area, targeting which area? This area over here, and also this one over here. So yeah guys, but in overall, I'm not saying it will sell. Only if it breaks this 4-hour trend bullish trend, I'd place a sell to this area over here. But in overall, it's an uptrend. From the bigger time frame, you saw how it's been trending up. So the sells are just pullbacks. So you can also draw something like this. So yeah, it might retrace back, but then I don't know to which level actually, because then we have a lot of levels over here, but then overall you can retrace back to this trend line. So yeah guys, let me just show you my next one, USD CHF, simple analysis, simple price action. So you can see it has been respecting my breakout. Overall we had a trend inside trend. Okay, let me just go to the bigger time frame, to the monthly. On the monthly you can see that we had this support over here, and we had this strong area of support also on this level over here. So the market, when it reached this area, decided to head up. So I'm anticipating the market to head up until this level over here. This level over here. That's about how many pips? Let me see. About that's about That's about 100 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips, 110. So that's about 400 pips. So we are about to we anticipating the market to give us 400 pips on USD CHF. On USD CHF, we anticipating the market to buy till this area over here. So it's simple analysis, very strict, very simple. So yeah, I can't really touch it a lot, but you can see how simple it's been moving. How simple. Let me go to the weekly. So on the weekly, we had this double top. There's the reason why the market went down. So we still let me just see something. Just see something. Okay, we might still head down, but for now I'm anticipating the market to come to this area over here, 94,239 area over here, which covers about 400 pips. Okay, then lastly we have USD CAD. We have USD CAD. So lastly we have USD CAD. So I picked this forex pairs accordingly to how I normally prioritize them. So you can see my first priority is GBP USD, second one GBP JPY, third one it's UJ, and fourth one it's UC, then the last one it's UC USD CAD. So on USD CAD, this is what we have. Let me go to the monthly and get a market overview. So yeah guys, do sign up with my link if ever you interested in using XNES. Do sign up with my link attached on the bio. So yeah, it's still loading. Okay, it's finally here. Okay, So yesterday overall this is what we have on USD CAD. Overall we broke this downtrend, so we're anticipating the market to come to fill this area, but then we've been failing. Because then overall, let me just show you something. We still have chances of it heading back up, but then overall we've been seeing many sells recently. So let's wait for the weekly. So this is what we had. So you can see overall the market has been ranging between these two parallel lines. Has been ranging between these two parallel lines. Then it gave us a fake out on the monthly right over here. Then it went back up. Then let's see on the daily. On the daily, I think we saw a double top. Like now, I don't see it going up. I see it. Let me see. Okay, I just see a lot of things here. Yeah, it's heading down. So yesterday I saw this. Yeah, now I remember. I saw this. So yesterday we saw a sell. Let me see. Oh, because of the bullish engulfing candlestick. Yeah, we saw this yesterday. Monday, Tuesday. So definitely we're selling again tomorrow. Today I was in the market. So you can see how simple it is to actually analyze with price action and get good result. See how, let me just show you. This was once my higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then it falls higher high. It fall to respect this area, then it head down. So we definitely coming to this area over here. So you definitely want to sell this to this area, but then wait for a pullback or something, or a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, a bearish engulfing candlestick, or wait this to retrace back here to this level over here. They don't really retrace a lot once they have an impulse move. So your TP1 would be here on this level over here. TP2, TP1, let me see, TP1 here, TP2 here, TP3. Yeah, you might as well go down with it, because we're not sure where it might retrace back to. It might retrace back to let me see, to this area over here, to this area over here. Let me just use this one. To this area over here. It might come here. So overall, that's what we have on USD CAD, I mean to say. So yeah guys, do subscribe and hit the notification bell before you leave, and also like this video, and more videos coming. M Traders analysis, you already know. Peace, and I'm out. Every day, we chasing people. Everybody you want. Make me hustle every day.